Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, all of you. So, welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. So, myself, Dr.Rajendra Prasad, biology educator on Unacademy platform, students. So, in today's class, we'll be discussing about a topic that is belonging to the lesson, that is plant growth and development. So, before starting this topic, let us discuss about our Unacademy Plus subscription, students. So, Unacademy is providing free live classes on its YouTube channel every day. Apart from that, Unacademy is also providing free classes on its Unacademy EAMCET app, students. So, apart from that, there is a well-designed course is going on the Unacademy Plus platform, students. So, this is for the students who subscribe to our courses. So, let us see what is the benefits of taking this Unacademy Plus subscription, students. So, let us see the benefits. So, the premium content will be available at affordable price. So, when you purchase this Unacademy Plus subscription, so in that Unacademy Plus subscription, in that particular platform, so premium content. So, the premium content will be available at affordable price. So, ఖచ్చితంగా అయితే తక్కువ ప్రైస్ లో ఉంటుంది. Then structured live courses and dedicated live doubling sessions will be taking place. So, structured, so well-designed courses like a complete syllabus. So, here structured live courses means a complete syllabus completion. So, for that a well-designed schedule and as well as designed live course is going, a doubt clean session after every 3 days. For every 3 days, so every 3 days, the fourth session will be a doubt clean session. 3 sessions theory teach చేసిన తర్వాత fourth session ఏంటంటే మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా డౌట్ క్లీన్ సెషన్ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో quizzes are conducted at regular intervals. So quizzes also conducted at regular intervals. Lectures will be in a batches. So lectures will be in batches for the complete preparation of syllabus. Then test series. So test series for daily practice papers. So full and mock test. So these all available on Unacademy Plus subscription, students. So these all you can get for single subscription of amount, that is 2,250 rupees, students. So if you are interested, you can use my code Rajendra Live to get this 1 month trial plan for 2,250 rupees. So recently in the month of October, there is a batch was started. The name of the batch is called Telugu batch. In this batch, all the educators, you can see all the educators will be taking the classes in Telugu language. So what is the importance of this batch is a detailed explanation will be given in Telugu language and complete syllabus will be taking place. Tips and tricks also will be given by the respective educator, students. So if you are interested to purchase this, to join this Telugu batch, you can use my code Rajendra Live and purchase this 1 month trial plan for 2,250 rupees. Apart from that, already there is one comprehensive batch is started. So in the month of September. So what is the purpose of this batch is a complete syllabus coverage, tips and tricks will be given by educators, topic wise practice papers, full and mock test. So full and mock test, all this will be available. So this also you can purchase by getting 1 month trial plan of 2,250 rupees, students. So you can use my code Rajendra Live to purchase this 1 month plan for 2,250 rupees. So this is about our 1 month plan. Then there is long term plans. There is a best long term plans also available, students. 6 months plan and as well as 12 months plan. So 6 months plan costing around, if you see the 6 months plan, so the 6 months plan costing around 10,120 rupees. Okay, 10,125 rupees. Whereas this 12 months plan, so whereas this 12 month plan, it is about 12,375 rupees, students. That is about our Unacademy Plus subscription. So if you are interested to purchase this long term plans of 6 months plan and as well as 12 months plan, you can use my code. So you can use my code Rajendra Live. So you can use my code Rajendra Live to purchase the 6 months plan costing around 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan costing around 12,375 rupees. So you can use my code Rajendra Live to purchase this long term plan, students. So this is about our Unacademy Plus subscription. Let's see about the today's topic discussion. Yeah, let's see the first question, students. So first question, let's see. how many of the following are phytohormones? That is the first question. So how many are phytohormones? So before that, so what is the meaning of this term phytohormone? If you see, phyto means so the plant, so term phyto, if you see the term phyto, so term phyto, here the term phyto indicates it is the name of the plant. So it is the plant actually, term phyto means it is plant. So it is the phytohormones means plant hormones. So finally the term phytohormones means it is the so plant hormones. So plant hormones are called as a plant hormones. So plant hormones are called as a phytohormones. So term phytohormones means it is the plant hormones. So plant hormones are known as a phytohormones. So there are different types of plant hormones. So let us see what are different types of plant hormones. So first one is ABA. So ABA indicates abscisic acid. So it is the abscisic acid. Then another one is ethylene. Second one is ethylene. So IAA, indole acetic acid. So GA3, so gibberellic acid. GA3 is a gibberellic acid. Then once again it is given as ABA, abscisic acid. So finally anyhow, so how many types of phytohormones are there? So this is one type, that is abscisic acid. Then second one, that is ethylene. So third one, so indole acetic acid. So fourth one, so gibberellic acid. This is the fourth one. And so finally four different types of phytohormones are present in the given question actually. So in the given question it is four different types of phytohormones. So that is how the different types of phytohormones. Actually there are 5 different types of phytohormones are there. Other fifth one is cytokinins. So the fifth hormone is called as a cytokinins. So in plants we have 5 different types actually. So 5 different types of plant hormones in case of the plants. 5 different types. So 5 different types of hormones in plants. So in this case that was not given, but it is another hormone, that is cytokinins. There is one more hormone is there. It was not given in this question. But according to question, which of the following are phytohormones? Here, so 4 phytohormones, of course. So that is the reason. So 4 types actually. So that is the question. So answer is 4. So good evening. So good evening, Rachita. So how are you? So we are doing some multiple choice questions on the topic that is Auxins. So try to join these questions. So next question, let us see. Which of the following is not a plant growth promoter? So which is not a plant growth promoter? That is the question. So which is not a plant growth promoter? Which is not promoting the plant growth? That is the question. So which is not a plant growth promoter? So can you answer this question? So which is not a plant growth promoter? So if you see this all hormones, if you see here means auxin is a plant growth promoter. So certainly then gibberellins is also a plant growth promoter. So if you see ethylene, so ethylene has some properties which act as a plant growth promoter, and it also has properties which is plant growth inhibitor. So here, so abscisic acid. So abscisic acid is the one hormone which is clearly no doubt it is a plant growth inhibitor. It is a plant growth inhibitor. So that is the reason option D will be our answer. So option D. So option D will be our answer. So which is not. So the question was asked which is not a plant growth promoter. Certainly it is the abscisic acid is a plant growth inhibitor. It is a plant growth inhibitor. So option D. Yes, very good. So option D will be our answer. So let us move to the next question. Who initiated the discovery of plant growth hormones? Next question is, who initiated the discovery of plant growth hormones? Who is the scientist who has initiated the discovery of plant growth hormones? That was the question actually. So let us see the answer for this question. So if you see this question, so there is options like Charles Darwin, Franz Darwin, both and none of these. So who initiates the discovery of plant growth hormone? That was the question actually here. So if you see this option, so certainly both. So by using coleoptile tail experiment, so both Charles Darwin and as well as, so option C will be our answer in this case. Yes, Rajita, what is your question? Is Telugu Academy textbooks enough for EAMCET? That is what your question is. Yes, certainly Telugu Academy textbooks are enough for your EAMCET. So ఎంసెట్ ప్రిపరేషన్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా తెలుగు అకాడమీ బుక్లో నుంచి మనకి ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి అదే మనం ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. సో తెలుగు అకాడమీ బుక్ ఈజ్ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ ది ఎంసెట్. సో అదే మరి నీట్ ప్రిపరేషన్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా అయితే నీట్ ప్రిపరేషన్ అయితే ఎన్సీఆర్టీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ చదవాలి లైన్ టు లైన్ క్లియర్గా. ఎంసెట్ ప్రిపరేషన్ అయితే మట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి ఏంటంటే మనకి తెలుగు అకాడమీ బుక్ నుంచి అక్కడి నుంచి రావు క్వశ్చన్స్. ఇన్కేస్ వచ్చినట్టయితే వాటిని డిలీట్ చేయడమో లేదంటే దానికి ఎడిషనల్ మార్క్స్ ఇవ్వడం ఏదో ఒకటి జరుగుతుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో ఖచ్చితంగా ఎంసెట్కి అయితే ప్యూర్గా ఎస్ మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ప్యూర్గా ఏంటంటే మనకి అకాడమిక్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్లోంచి ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తారు. సో నా సజెషన్ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఓల్డ్ ఎంసెట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే అప్పుడప్పుడు ఓల్డ్ ఎంసెట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఓల్డ్ ఎంసెట్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కూడా మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఏంటంటే చాలా వరకు మనకు ఒక అవేర్నెస్ వస్తుంది. అసలు ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ మన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఉన్నాయా లేవా, అసలు ఉన్నవే ఇచ్చారు లేదా మీకు కంపేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఒకసారి అవి కూడా ఓల్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేస్తే ఒక క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో మనం కూడా కొన్ని ఓల్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంతకుముందు చేసాము. సో అకాడమీలో కూడా మనం చేసాం ఎంసెట్లో. సో అవి కూడా చూడొచ్చు ఎప్పుడైనా ఫ్రీగా ఉంటే వెదర్ ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కరెక్ట్గా మన టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉన్నా లేదా నీకు ఐడియా వస్తుంది క్లియర్గా. ఓకే, so that is about this question. Let's note next one. According to Charles Darwin, which plant would help for discovery of which plant would help in discovery of PGH? So which plant would help in discovery of this PGH? Okay, so which is discovery of PGH means plant growth. Yes, very good. So very good, Pranay. So means let us see this question. So welcome to Pranay. So welcome to Unacademy. Welcome to Unacademy EAMCET. Actually here, so Charles Darwin has studied, no doubt about it. Charles Darwin has studied. So according to Charles Darwin, which plant would help in discovery of plant growth regulator? Actually, it is the canary grass actually. So that is the canary grass is the right answer actually. So option C will be our answer. He has studied about the coleoptile tail or coleoptile of canary grass. Okay, so especially they have studied about the auxins. So they have studied about the discovery of auxins. So by using the coleoptile tail. Okay, so by using coleoptile tail of this canary grass. So option C will be our right answer. Okay, in this case. So let us move to the next question. Next, so that's what we are written. See, coleoptile. So we're discussing, right? So this particular Charles Darwin and along with his son, that is Francis Darwin, they have used a plant, name of the plant as canary grass. In that canary grass plant, they have taken the coleoptile of the canary grass plant. Tip, that is nothing but. So coleoptile respond to dash, that is the question. So coleoptile, so when they have taken this coleoptile, so they have taken the tip of the grass is called as a coleoptile. Actually, no, this is the coleoptile. So when this is exposed to sunlight, actually it is when it exposed to sunlight, what happens is, in next case, this coleoptile is bending towards sunlight. Now coleoptile started bending towards sunlight. So that means they clearly identified that it is responding. So coleoptile is responding to the sunlight actually here in this case. So when coleoptile is responding to sunlight, so finally we have to remember that. So coleoptile of canary grass actually. Okay, the name of the plant is canary grass. So this Darwin has done the experiment. So they have done the experiment. Okay, Rajita, thank you. So Darwin has done their experiment, students, on canary grass. So they have taken the coleoptile, okay, of the canary grass, and they have exposed it to sunlight, and they have identified the tip of this grass. The tip of the grass is called as a coleoptile, that is moving towards sunlight. So that is responding towards sunlight. So that is the reason. So they have identified that. So there is some substance is there at the tip of the coleoptile that may respond towards the light, and later they found that there is auxin is present. Okay, auxin is responsible for the movement of coleoptile towards the sunlight. So finally the answer is the light actually. Okay, so let us see the next question. So as response to stimuli, the coleoptile causes. So coleoptile causes. So what happens to response of stimuli? So response of stimuli took place and coleoptile is caused. So what happened to coleoptile? That is the question. So just now we have seen in diagram, right? So what happened to the coleoptile? So So coleoptile is, so what happened to coleoptile? So certainly it has bend. Okay, so bending of the coleoptile took place, right? Next, so let us move to next question. So auxins are discovered by, so who has discovered auxins? That was the question. So auxins were first discovered by the F.W. Wendt. So name of the scientist who discovered auxin is F.W. Wendt. He is the person who has discovered the auxin. So discovery of auxin will be gone to the F.W. Wendt. Next question. So name auxin. So name auxin was given to which chemical? So name auxin was given to which chemical? That was the question. Yes, very good. Very good, Rajita. You are right. So name auxin. So name auxin was given to. So this indole butyric acid. So IBA. So that is when the full shortcut is called as a IBA. Okay. So means indole acetic acid and as well as indole butyric acid. Okay. So name auxin was actually given to which chemical? Means we have to. These are the two natural form of auxins. Okay. These are actually the two natural form of auxins. These are the natural form of auxins, but the auxin name was given to indole acetic acid actually. So actually it is indole acetic acid because they have given name to, means natural form of auxins are both indole acetic acid as well as indole butyric acid. Both are natural forms of oxygen, but the name auxin was given to indole acetic acid. So indole acetic acid, so the precursor. So in multiple choice questions they'll ask you which is the precursor. So precursor for auxins. So precursor for auxin, okay, it is tryptophan actually. So there is a hormone that is called as a tryptophan. Now this tryptophan, if you remember, this is the tryptophan is an amino acid. So this is an amino acid. This tryptophan amino acid has an indole ring actually. So it is having an indole ring. So from the tryptophan, tryptophan has modified to form indole 3 acetic acid. So that is the reason the precursor for auxins. So which is the precursor for auxins means we have to take the answer as tryptophan is the precursor for auxin. So what is tryptophan? It is an amino acid. So what is this amino acid importance? That particular amino acid has indole ring in its side chain. So it is having indole ring. So it is having indole ring containing amino acid. It is called as indole ring containing amino acid. So indole ring is present in side chain. So indole ring is present in side chain of the amino acid. Indole ring is present in side chain of amino acid. So what we have to remember here is which is the precursor for auxin means it is tryptophan is the precursor for the auxin. Tryptophan amino acid has indole ring. So the name auxin was actually given to the chemical substance that is indole 3 acetic acid actually. So that is how we have to remember here in this case. Okay. Yeah, next question students. How many of the auxins? So how many of auxins are obtained from the plants? So from the plants means how many auxins are natural auxins? That is the question. So how many out of all these auxins, how many are natural auxins? That was the question. Yes, Rajita, what is your question? So NCERT bit bank lo all chapters wise untaya sir. So NCERT bit bank. Yes, ఉంటాయి ఖచ్చితంగా అన్నిట్లోనే ఉంటాయి ఖచ్చితంగా. ఓకే, బిట్ బ్యాంక్లో అన్నీ ఉంటాయి ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటాయి. సో ఏమైనా బిట్ బ్యాంక్స్ ఉంటే తీసుకోవచ్చు. కొన్ని మంచి బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, కొన్ని మంచి బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, నువ్వు పర్చేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కావాలంటే బెస్ట్ బుక్ అయితే నీకు నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్కి అయితే బెస్ట్ బుక్ పక్కాగా క్లియర్గా ఎన్సీఆర్టీ ఉన్న బిట్సే ఉండే బుక్ ఏంటంటే క్లియర్గా మనకి దిశా పబ్లికేషన్స్, ఎన్సీఆర్టీ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్స్ బై దిశా పబ్లికేషన్స్ మనకు బుక్ ఉంటుంది. మీరు ఆ బుక్ కానీ పర్చేస్ చేసుకుంటే సో ఖచ్చితంగా అది నీట్గా అయితే పక్కాగా బుక్ తప్ప మీకు ప్యూర్లీ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ. సో ప్యూర్లీ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ మీద బిట్స్ ఫ్రేమ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. ఆ బుక్ మీరు చదువుకుంటే మీకు పక్కాగా సరిపోద్ది. ఓకే, సో ఎన్సీఆర్టీ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్స్ బై దిశా పబ్లికేషన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ బుక్. ఓకే, సో అవకాశం ఉంటే మీరు అది కొనుక్కోవచ్చు. సో రజిత, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ బిట్స్. ఎన్సీఆర్టీ బిట్స్ కావాలనుకుంటే మీరు ఆ బుక్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో అదే మనకి ఎంసెట్ అయితే మటుకు ఖచ్చితంగా ఎంసెట్లో కూడా ఏంటంటే మనకి ఎంసెట్ కావాలంటే మనకి ఎంసెట్ కూడా మనకి సపరేట్గా బుక్స్ అంటే మార్కెట్లో ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ ఎంసెట్ కోసం నేను కూడా చెప్తున్నాను. సో అరిహంత్ పబ్లికేషన్స్ ఉంటుంది, అరిహంత్ పబ్లికేషన్స్. సో అరిహంత్ పబ్లికేషన్స్ నువ్వు బిగ్ బ్యాంక్ కొనుక్కోవచ్చు. సో మనకి ఎంసెట్కి అయితే బాగా పనికొస్తుంది అరిహంత్ పబ్లికేషన్స్. ఓకే. So let us see this question. So how many of the following natural auxins are obtained from the plant? So how many of the following auxins are obtained from the plant? Are the question next one. Yes sir, Ranjita. So chapter wise bits ఉంటాయి. అరిహంత్ బుక్ లో మనకి ఏంటంటే చాప్టర్ వైజ్ ఖచ్చితంగా బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి అరిహంత్ పబ్లికేషన్స్. ఓకే. సో చాప్టర్ వైజ్ ప్రతి లెసన్కి ఓన్లీ బిట్సే ఉంటాయి సపరేట్గా బుక్స్. వాల్యూమ్ 1 అని వాల్యూమ్ 2 అని 2 బుక్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో అది నువ్వు తీసుకోవచ్చు అరిహంత్ పబ్లికేషన్స్. ఓకే. సో మనకి లోకల్ మార్కెట్లో బుక్స్ చెప్పి అరిహంత్ పబ్లికేషన్స్ ఎంసెట్ ఉంటే మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తారు. ఓకే. లెట్స్ సీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. సో హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ న్యాచురల్ ఆక్సిన్స్? సో న్యాచురల్ ఆక్సిన్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. న్యాచురల్గా ఉండే ఆక్సిన్స్ చూసుకుంటే మనకి సో ఇంతకుముందే మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం ఇండోల్ ఎస్టిక్ యాసిడ్. ఓకే. Indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid. So these are the two natural auxins. Indole acetic acid, indole butyric acid. These are the natural auxins. So what was the question? Which are auxins which are obtained from the plants? Plants means they should be the natural auxins. Okay. So indole butyric acid and indole acetic acid both are natural auxins. So కాకుండా మనకి ఇంకా NAA naphthalene acetic acid 2,4-D. So these 2,4-D. Okay. So these two are artificial. So these are artificial auxins actually. See, rendu artificial. So what was the question? Which of the following auxins are obtained from the plants? Plants నుంచి వచ్చేవని అడిగాడు. సో ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండే ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచి మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసేవి indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid. So based on that we take option B as our answer. Okay. Option B will be our answer. Next question. So naphthalene NAA represents. So just now we discussing NAA represents the naphthalene acetic acid. So it is naphthalene acetic acid. Option C will be answer. It is a natural. Naphthalene acetic acid is a natural auxin. It is a natural auxin. Okay. It is a natural auxin. Next question. So 2,4-D. So just now we discussing. It is the synthetic auxin or artificially prepared. So this is not produced inside the plant. It is an artificial auxin. Okay, it is prepared in the laboratories or in the industries. Okay, if you see the full form 2,4-D. So 2,4-D is dichlorophenoxyacetate. Okay, 2,4-D full form is dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. So that is the full form of the 2,4-D. So 2,4-D stands for 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. So let's move to the next question. So synthetic auxins. So next question, synthetic auxins are extensively used in. So synthetic auxins are extensively used in. So that was the question. So synthetic auxins, they are used in agriculture and they are also used in horticulture. So both will be answered. So both A and B can be answered. Okay. Next question. So auxins promote flowering in. So which type of plants generally auxins promote flowering means? Auxins promote flowering in pineapples. Okay. So auxins promote flowering in pineapple. Next. So which prevents the fruit and leaf to drop early. So which prevents? It is preventing the fruit and leaf drop. So no doubt it is the indole acetic acid. So it is the indole acetic acid and as well as naphthalene acetic acid. So both are auxins only, but this is natural one, this is artificial one, but both are playing an important role in preventing the drop of fruit drop and as well as leaf drop of early. So option D will be our answer. So final answer will be option D. Next question. Which promote the abscission? So abscission means what? What is the meaning of this term abscission? If you see abscission, so abscission means removal. So removal of. So removal of what it is doing? Abscission, removal of older mature leaves. So removal of leaves here. Okay. So which is promoting by applying this particular hormone, the old mature leaves will be falling from the plant. So which hormone is playing in removal of this older mature leaves? Is no doubt it is the auxin. Okay. So auxin plays a removal in abscission. Next question. In most of the higher plants, growing apical bud inhibits the growth of lateral buds. Now what is this condition is called as? Since some plants, what happens is the plants apical bud will be very active. So plant apical bud will be very active. So plant apical bud will be very active. So what happens is it keep on growing. So it grows tall without forming any lateral branches. So it keep on growing. So without any formation of the lateral branches. So such type of, that is because of the accumulation. So what is the reason is because, so that is due to accumulation. So that is due to accumulation. Okay, accumulation. So that is due to accumulation of auxins at tip of the shoot. So that is due to accumulation of auxins at the tip of the shoot. So such condition is called as apical dominance. So such phenomenon is called as a apical dominance. Such phenomenon is called as a apical dominance. So what we have to do, then we have to remove this apical bud. When you remove this apical bud, when you cut it, then slowly the lateral branches starts coming out. Now this phenomenon is called as a apical dominance. So finally, so we'll conclude that option D will be our answer in this case. Yes, let's do the next question. What can help removing the apical dominance? So which can help in removing the apical dominance? So just now we're discussing to remove apical dominance, what we have to do? We have to cut this, so this we have to remove this apical bud. So what we have to do is we have to remove apical buds. We have to remove the apical buds. Okay. When we remove the apical bud, what happens? Slowly the lateral branches starts. So slowly the lateral branches will be starting. So slowly what happens is the lateral branches starts. So when you cut the apical bud, slowly the lateral branches start. So further what we have to do, we have to remove the shoot tips. Okay. So what we have to do is remove the shoot tips. We have to remove the shoot tips. That is only the right answer. So option A will be our right answer. Next question. So the process of removing the shoot tips. So how to remove these shoot tips? That is the question. So we have to remove the shoot tips. So if you remove the removing of shoot tips, so that process is called as decapitation. So what is decapitation means? It is removal of shoot tips. So removal of shoot tips is called as a decapitation. So we already know that why we have to remove shoot tip, because the shoot tip is rich in. So shoot tip is rich in auxins. So that is the reason we are removing the shoot tip. Shoot tip is rich in auxins, so we are removing the auxins. Okay. When we remove the auxins, what happens? Slowly the lateral buds. So lateral buds starts developing. So they starts developing, giving rise to new branches. So like that. So removal of the shoot tips. Next question. So which of the following that is plant growth regulator can induce parthenocarpy? So parthenocarpy can be induced by. So note that parthenocarpy is induced by auxin, and specifically the natural auxin, that is indole butyric acid. So indole butyric acid will be involved in parthenocarpy. So indole butyric acid. Next question. Auxins promote parthenocarpy in which plant? So just now we are discussing the same thing. Auxins promote parthenocarpy in pineapples. In pineapple plant, auxin promotes this particular parthenocarpy in this pineapple plant actually. So which hormone is used as a herbicide? So the herbicide is auxin. So the hormone specifically which used as herbicide is 2,4. So we just know is 2,4 dichloro phenoxy acetic acid. Phenoxyacetic acid. Just now we have seen 2,4-D. So 2,4-D. So it is an artificial synthetic auxin. It is a synthetic auxin. It is not a natural auxin. It is a synthetic auxin prepared in the laboratory. So that is it is acting as a herbicide as well as a weedicide also. Next one. So which is used to kill the dicotyledonous weed. So certainly it is a 2,4-D. 2,4-D is used in removing the dicotyledonous weed. So that is about our today's session about this auxin hormones, students. So we'll continue with the next hormone in the next class. So we'll be having my class again day after tomorrow. So the day after tomorrow class we'll be discussing about the another hormone. We'll see some multiple choice questions about the another hormone. Okay, at the same time at 4 p.m. So you can also join my special free live classes on our Unacademy EAMCET app. So you can join on special classes, my special classes students. That is for 60 minutes. So you can join those classes. So before ending this session, so once again I would like to introduce about our Unacademy long-term plan. So Unacademy is providing the very cheapest long-term plan, students. 6 months plan is costing about very less amount of 10,125 rupees. It is a very less amount. And 12 months plan, so 6 months plan costing around 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan is costing around 12,375 rupees. So these are the two best plans, where 6 months plan costing around 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan costing around 12,375 rupees. So if you are interested, you can use my code Rajendra Live, and so that you can get the 6 months plan for 10,125 rupees and 12 months plan for 12,375 rupees. So use my code Rajendra Live, students. So this is about today's class. So in next class we will see about the next hormone. So thank you, students. Thank you for attending the class.